Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news that Greece is on tenterhooks. Firstly, however, in the US, existing home sales for January cooled compared to December and were at their lowest rate in 9 months. Still, the pace was higher than the same month a year ago for the fourth straight month. Staying in the US, the latest Fed region's factory surveys out overnight were mixed. They were improving in the Chicago area, but there was no growth in the Dallas area, the oil patch. The Richmond Fed will report later today, and it is expected to be a positive survey. In Europe, we are waiting to hear details of the Greek plan, but trouble is brewing in the neighbourhoods of Athens as the extent of the climb down sinks in. It's a potentially explosive case of grand over-promising and under-delivering. Giant global London bank HSBC has reported a 17% fall in annual pre-tax profit and cut its profit targets, saying allegations in its Swiss business has helped customers to dodge taxes has brought shame on the bank. In China, there's been a development to tuck away for future reference. It has started assembly of its first medium-range commercial jet, the C919, to compete with both Boeing and Airbus. The domestic market there will need more than 5,000 of these types of planes over the next 20 years, a market worth more than $1 trillion. The C919 already has orders for 450 aircraft. You'll be flying on one of them in the not-too-distant future. In Australia, NAB Chief Executive Andrew Thorburn will have to face questions at a Senate inquiry as soon as next week, following revelations of misconduct in the bank's financial planning division and the sacking of 37 of its financial advisors. The scandal comes after rival CBA is going through a similar advice scandal. Banks and advisors seem to be a very problematic mix. The US Treasury 10-year yield fell back overnight to 2.07% in New York. We start today with our swap rates for terms 1 to 10 years higher by about 3 basis points, and the flat curves we noted a month ago have now disappeared. The crude oil price, however, starts today lower again at $49 a barrel, and the Brent is down a tick to $59 a barrel. The gold price is virtually unchanged at $1,198 an ounce. The New Zealand dollar is moving up and is now at 75.3 US cents, up a half a cent to 96.5 Aussie cents, and the TWI is at 78.7. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.